Now let's go to the kinds of classes that we have in our camp. We have 4 kinds of classes: the one-on-one class, group class, vocabulary class, and grammar class. The one-on-one class, group class, and vocabulary class will be handled by a Filipino teacher. The grammar class will be handled by a Korean mentor. Flow of the class for one-on-one class. The one-on-one class will be for 2 hours. Every hour there will be like a 10 minutes break for the student. The books that we will use for one-on-one class are Everyone Speak Beginner 1, 2, and 3, Everyone Speak 1, 2, and 3, Speech Contest 1, 2, 3, and also Impact Issues. The first 50 minutes of the class will focus on speaking skills. It means discussing the article, creating conversation about it, to encourage the student to give his or her ideas about the topic. The second 50 minutes, the class will be focused more on writing skills. It means that the student should make an essay about the topic that was discussed a while ago, provided with guided questions. The teacher should guide only the student as much as possible and let the student express his or her ideas, and later on, the teacher can check it. Reminder, the book that the student will use will depend on their level. Flow of the class for group class. The group class will be for 4 hours. Every hour, there will be a 10 minutes break for the student. The books that we will use for group class are Backpack Starter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and Superminds 3, 4, 5, 6. The first and second 50 minutes of the class will be the lecture and discussion for the lesson. The third 15 minutes of the class will be the book activities that can be seen in the latter part of each unit. And the fourth 15 minutes of the class will be the production class. At this point, the student should practice as much as possible for the presentation day. Reminder, the book that the student will use will also depend on their level. For vocabulary class, it will only be for 1 hour. The books for vocabulary class are Vocabulary Workshop Red, Purple, and Green. For grammar class, it will only be for 1 hour too. About the books, this will be prepared by the Korean mentor. Reminder, the book that the student will use will also depend on their level.